Alright guys, we're adding some gas to this rack after finding a couple leaks. So, hooked up to my bottle with my blue hose. So, I have everything closed on my manifold. So you invert that bottle, so there's a dip tube that goes to the bottom, so you pour liquid out of that bottle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my blue hose, and then I'm hooked up to the suction header purge valve. So that valve right now is closed. So it's just an open port. So I'm gonna slowly crack my black hose, slowly. And I'm gonna purge. I have this barely threaded on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna purge it. Is 54 psi, but what I did was I changed it. So I changed it right now to 10. So suction pressure is going to get down to 10.